Welcome to day 3 of our exciting journey into Excel. With 2 days behind us, it's time to delve into the core of Excel, managing workbooks and mastering data entry. Hello, everyone. I'm Diane, and I am thrilled to guide you through today's roadmap. After today, you'll be inputting and handling data in Excel like a pro. Workbooks are essentially the files we work in. Think of them as the binder with sheets as the pages inside. And editing data is as simple as clicking a cell and typing. But Excel is really smart. It offers shortcuts like copying, cutting, and pasting data. Also, have you ever tried dragging a cell's corner to fill a series? That's drag and drop and autofill for you. This is literally magic for those who despise monotony. Why enter data manually when Excel can predict and complete it for you? But managing data isn't just about input, it's about perspectives too. With Excel's different views, you can switch how you see your data based on your task. Whether it's data entry, analyzing numbers, or just presenting, there's a view tailored for your needs. So for day 3, focus on mastering workbook management and making data entry more efficient. Dive deep, play around, and find those shortcuts that work best for you. Remember, while we're paving the roadmap for you, the real learning happens when you start driving. So practice makes perfect, and if you ever need that extra helping hand, our Excel Simplified course is here to guide you. It's detailed, step-by-step guidance, and it's just a click away in the video description. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any step of this 10-day challenge.